Hi students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of indefinite integration by parts topic. Look at this question. Integral 3 power log x e power x to the base root 3 dx. This can be written as 3 power log x e power x. This root 3 can be written as 3 power 1 by 2, right, dx. So, in logarithms, we have one formula, that is log a power m to the base b power n, that can be written as m by n log a to the base b. That is the standard formula. So, if there is power in the base, that will be coming to the denominator of the product. So, this becomes 2 log x e power x to the base 3 dx. Hope it is clear. This n will be coming to the denominator. So, here we have 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 means 2 will be there. So, integral 3 power log, this 2 also we can take into the power, m log a to the base x equal to log a power m to the base x. So this 2 can go to the power x e power x whole square to the base 3 dx. Now integral, again one more formula we have, a to the power log n to the base a, means we can write n. So here 3 base we have same, then we can write it as x square e power 2x dx. Now we got into the same form now by parts. So for that I can take ILATE, ILATE, ILATE. Here algebra exponential. So we have first algebra. Let me take f of x equal to x square, g of x equal to e power 2x. Okay. So f dash x will be 2x. Integral g of x dx will be e power 2x by 2 plus c. Now if you apply by parts here, what is the formula for by parts? Already I told you. First function x square into integration of second function e power 2x by 2 minus integral derivative of first function into again integration of second function dx. 2 gets cancelled. So here x square e power 2x by 2 minus again by parts I am taking first function into integration of second function minus integration of first function derivative 1, integration will be this. Okay, plus c. So here x square e power 2x by 2 minus x e power 2x by 2 plus e power 2x by 4 plus, that is the final answer. We can take e power 2x common. E power 2x if you take common, x square by 2 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus, so that is the final answer. Therefore, integral 3 to the power log x e power x to the base root 3 dx equal to e power 2x times x square by 2 minus x by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus c. So, for doing this problem, we should have the concept of logarithms. Hope it is clear. Thank you.